ಹೇ ಬಾ ಮಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ.
Like ghats, huh? You have to go like this.
ರೋಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನೋಡು ಮಚ್ಚಾ, ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದೇ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋಣ. ನಾನು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸೋ ಜೋಳ ಏನು? ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್.
Guys, do you realize we've lost our way?
Even you got extra pant, no. అట్లనే పోతుండు వాడు నీళ్ళ. సరే. I'm not sure I'm going to get down. Signal is
Hey, Papa Maga Chico.
I think they are coming on. Come on top. And there was a signal. Chico now.
Yo. ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Huh?
Which side?
You have to reach that one there.
Huh? That road there.
No, not that road. The road comes on to an intersection. That's our intersection. That's where we have to go. The temple is behind this hill.
Dude, where is the temple? It's hard to be seen only.
It's behind the hill, dude. Yeah, it's behind.
Chill.
Chill. Come, we go. Wherever. See, that's the thing we saw from that rock. Or this one. This one we saw from that rock.
No.
Yeah, dude. This is
There are so many things like this. See, this is also similar.
Similar, dude.
Yeah.
Always go downhill. You'll get this place. Hey, the wall is not that they come down. I know. I'm being
I know. Rasho, eat baro.
Otherwise, we can move towards this wall, that side, and get down.
Dude, why don't we move this side?
Because the rock face is there.
Huh?
We have to climb a lot. We have to get down a lot.
No, but we won't reach the temple this way.
Dude, look at this. The wall curves that way. So we have to go that way. We're circling the hill and coming back. Don't worry. Anyway,
What panda dude? As if like you're some geologist here.
no, think about it this way. We don't make it this way. We'll come back, backtrack and go down.
Yeah, I know. It's worst case scenario. Okay, chalo. Let's go.
Yeah, the whole day. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಬೇಡ ಬಾ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಯಾನಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಬೇಡ ಬಾರೋ ಶೋ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ